Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can track your orders on Shopee. So let's start our video. First, open Shopee application on your device. Once you do so, then tap on Me. Here you will find my purchases and here your purchase history, and here you will find that your order is out for shipment or not. So here, as you can see, it is already shipped and I have to receive it. If you tap on it, here you need to tap on your order, and here is the shipping information. So if I tap on the shipping information, so here, as you can see, the order is almost here and I'm going to receive it today. If you scroll a bit down, you will find all the details of the shipment, the day it was placed, the day it was shipped out, and how it is going on day by day, so you can track your order like that. So guys, this is how you can track your orders on Shopee. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.